Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a CPU. So, I'm going to show you how to install an AMD CPU and an Intel CPU. So with an AMD CPU, you want to see this lever right here? You're going to want to take it and you're going to want to pull up on it, just like this. So it's like that. Take your CPU. Be careful, the AMD ones do have pins. And you're going to line it within your socket. There's a gold pin right on the corner right here. It focuses. And you're just going to put it in kind of something like that. And make sure you get it lined up. And then put the retention arm down. On an Intel socket, it's pretty similar. Take this retention arm, push it down, pull to the side, and then pull it up. And I'll go back to that, and then take this little thing back here, pull that, then take your CPU, and line up the pin again. On this one, there's actually like ridges in the board. Line it up, drop it in, close the shield, take the retention arm, and it's really going to feel like you're breaking it. Trust me, you're not. You're just going to want to pull down until it latches like that.